See, that's the only bad thing about being right here. I said, this is the only bad thing about being right here. That's the only bad thing about being right here. Is all the traffic. Yeah. Oh, yeah, it's keeper. Ow. Dang it, y'all. Yeah, he'll keep. No, that's the only bad thing about being right here. You got a lot of boat traffic. What'd you say? Oh, yeah, that's the only bad thing about coming out on weekends. That's 10 inches right there, people. This is what you deal with on weekends, people. Traffic, boat traffic. Oh, Lord have mercy. They got all this area they can get on across. They can get further on over. They don't got to be right up here on us. They go. All right, people. We out here today. We catching some crappie. Amy catching crappie, and I'm catching a few. And we're using we're not using slip corks. We're just using a couple of pieces of split shot on there with a hook and a minnow, and we just vertical fishing, and that's what we're doing, just vertical fishing, getting down there about 5 to 10 feet and catching a few. They slow about biting, but hey, y'all stick with us and see how many we can catch. 8. Okay.
That keeper?
I doubt it. Don't look like a keeper.
Caught one.
Yeah, you caught one. No. That little video thing.
Still good.
Yeah, it's still good. It's good to catch them. I gotta. Here, hand it here. Gotta take that slip cork off. There you go. Ah, skiers. Can't stand the skiers. Skiers. There he is. Small. Yep. We got a house bigger ones than you, buddy. Gotta find a new place to put this hook on this minnow now. I said I gotta find a new place to put that hook on that dead minnow.
You still got dead minnows?
Yeah, they like that. I think they like them dead minnows more than they like the live minnows. Dead ones don't put up a fight. Or you rock back and forth.
Oh, man, little.
Come here.
Little.
It's all right. Wait a minute, we got to fight the waves. Yep, she got a small one. Well, I mean, it's just, that's the way it happens when you come out on a weekend. You got all the little pleasure cruisers. Yep. That's 2 for you, Bo. Yep. Oh, yeah, that's right. There you go. You got you. Oh gosh, come on, bring it around here, Amy. Bring it around here. Bring it around here. Swing the rod around. Swing the rod around. Come on.
Man, that's cute.
Yeah. All right. Oh yeah, he'll keep.
Whoa, man! That one I call welcome. Dad?
He swallowed it all the way down. Hey. Man, he swallowed it all the way down.
I put my line deep. Dad,
Mm-hmm.
I like it that way. I like my line deep.
Yeah.
Oh, man.
Oh, there you go.
Got my minnow.
Got your minnow back. Got your
Lucky minnow.
lucky minnow.
And that huge. Dad?
Yeah, it's a good one. Well, at least you caught one. I was sitting there messing around in the boat here.
Little.
It's all right.
4. That's 4.
Yeah, that's 4. You didn't say nothing, Amy. I know, you didn't say nothing. All right, hold on a second. Bring it in here. That might keep. Bring it. Come on. Would you use both hands? Look. Bring it around here. Amy.
Okay.
There you go.
That key?
I don't know. But you sure do. Next time you can reel it up a little bit, then you can put it in, bring it around. I doubt if it'll keep baby loop. Yeah, it's kind of a small one. Ugh. No, it ain't gonna keep.
Dang it.
You gotta be better than that. You gotta do better than that, ain't Luke? It's all right. We got 2 in the live well. All we need is 3 more. All right, come on. Come on. Reel it up a little bit. Reel it up a little bit. Reel it up a little bit and come on over this way.
I can't.
Okay, turn it around. Turn the rod around.
Look like catfish.
No. Oh, man. I hope it ain't a catfish. Let me move my rod. Amy, it's not going to come off. It probably is a catfish. Yeah, I think it's a catfish. It don't matter, your line broke.
Look like stars.
No, it's probably a catfish because it.
Big don't.
Yeah, it was your line broke. Here, use this one until I can get yours. It's okay, Amy. No, it was my fault right there. Me pulling on your line right there. I shouldn't have been pulling on your line. Here.
I had fun.
I know. That was a big one.
That's a big one.
It was probably a catfish. It felt like a catfish when I pulled on the line. Whew. This is aggravating right here, dealing with all these waves right here. You can't. I know, buddy. I'm having fun too. Oh, it's all good. Well, it probably was a catfish.
I'm gonna go home.
There he is. Got me one.
You got it?
Yeah, I got me one.
That's a little.
Small one. But I got me one though. Got him?
Got him.
All right, bring it here. Dang it. Bring it here. You got the rod up, reel upside down. Amy, lower your rod and bring it around here. Look, yeah, twist your rod around here.
Always.
All right, that's all you have to do, Amy.
On your mom.
And there it went. Missed that one. That was my fault. My rod was in your way. But you got to bring it around here, Amy. You can't.
I had fun.
You having fun?
Yeah.
Well, that's
Out
good.
here.
I said, that's good.
Got one.
Oh gosh. Bring it here. Bring it here. Bring it here. Bring it here. Bring it here.
I'm done bugging.
I'm not.
That keeper.
Oh gosh, that's the best one of the day, Amy.
Four keeper.
That's the best one of the day. Yeah, Amy. That's the best one of the day, though.
I have your color.
Yeah, it's pretty.
That's four keeper.
Oh yeah. Yeah, that's the best one, Amy. That is the best one.
Huh?
I said, yeah, that's the best one.
I love the other day. What?
Come home. God, I been getting hung all day. Here,
Don't leave your...
Amy, I'm gonna try not to, baby. Let me do this for you.
Hey!
I know, I gotta get back over here and get it. I think I just lost it. No.
No. Got four keepers.
Yep. Get us another one.
He don't go with the big bang.
Yeah, you caught. You got one?
Little baby boy.
All right, bring it here.
Little baby.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, got my minnow.
No, your minnow's gone. Man alive, I don't know how that sucker got that hook in there.
Then picking up my other fish.
No, you don't like other fish.
Yeah. How many we got left?
Oh, we got plenty. We got plenty. But it won't be long, we're going to have to be going.
What? Huh?
I said it won't be long, we're going to be going.
Okay.
There you go.
Your fish got blood.
I know, it's got blood on it. There he is. I got one.
Oh.
Boy, he's deep too. He's about 20 foot deep.
Don't hit up with me.
Oh, he's a good one too.
That good one, Dad.
Yeah, he's a long one. He's a good long one.
Measure it.
Yeah, I think he'll keep. Oh, he's been eating.
That plate will live well.
Oh yeah, he'll definitely mate. He's probably.
What can come back in your water?
Yeah, well.
Huh?
He's not. I'm just curious. He's about 11 inches long. No, he's 10.
Never mind then.
You need a minnow?
Yeah.
No, he ain't.
That's not King, Dad.
No,
He'll come back.
I like them big old minnows. He's still alive, even though he just got eaten.
Huh?
I said he's still alive, even though he got eaten. Yeah, he got eaten. He's still alive. Oh, you got one?
Oh, God.
Come on, bring it around here. What is that? Oh, that's a crappie. Come on, bring it around here. Amy, reel up your reel some, baby.
We keep that.
Yeah, Amy, because he's a keeper. But you got to reel up your reel some.
Dad.
You got to reel it up some. That way, I thought it was a bass that's long.
That 5.
Yeah, that's 5. But you got to reel up your reel some because you can't get it up. But it's okay. It's okay. But it makes it.
That's a good one. That 5 keeper.
There's 5 keepers. I got 1 keeper in there, don't I?
Yeah.
Rest of them yours.
Yeah.
All right. I heard that.
We got more time.
Got you a good one. Oh, come here. There you go. Oh yeah. Come on.
Huh?
Yeah, that's a keeper. Oh yeah, he's a keeper.
Huh?
He's a keeper. Hold on a second. Hold on a second.
What? That wood pile. Then
Let me give you a
wood pile.
let me give you a fresh minnow.
Where's that time too?
Here.
I'm going to take that.
Got him? Yeah. Yep.
That
I was too deep.
huh?
I was too deep.
You too deep. You always get home. Then
Yeah.
oh, I feel good.
There, I got me one.
Huh?
I got me one.
You look me.
Nah, he was little too.
Same way.
And there went my minnow. That minnow's sinking. He gonna get eaten in a minute.
Yep. That came one.
It's just about the same size as yours, wasn't it?
Yeah. You picked my minnow.
Yeah. Here, let me sit.
I'll call a lot.
Yeah, you caught a lot, didn't you?
I'm good.
You're good, ain't you? All right.
My minnow down there.
Yeah. Yeah, well, I think we better go.
I stopped and like
Yeah, all right. Just sit it down. Here, let me see it. All right, come on.
So,
Wait a minute. All right.
you're not holding that on
Wait a minute, Amy. I know it, Amy. I had fun too, bud.
Huh?
I said I had fun too. Come on, get down in the boat. It's all right, Amy.
For gatekeeper, I call. You call more.
Oh yeah, that's right.
And deal good. Better anybody.
All right, people, we're gonna call it a day. It's getting late. It's right at 4:30, and it's starting to get dark. And we want to get off the water before it does get dark. And hey, we hope y'all enjoyed. I mean, we didn't do a lot of talking, just amongst each other, but you know, pretty concept of what we was doing, just vertical fishing with the live minnows with a hook and split shots on there. No slip cork, no cork, and just up and down and hitting the brush tops. And Amy outdid me today. She caught a lot of them. Yeah,
catfish.
Well, you missed a lot. You missed some, but you caught more fish than I did. So
Yeah.
all right, hey, y'all hit the like button, subscribe, tell your friends, help the channel out, hit the like button, and hey, we'll see y'all on the next one. Hey, tell them bye, Amy.
Bye. We need to go.